So, ang abstract thinking is kanang mga unnecessary things na kanang baga, parang gani sa mga bata, pagkahon na nabili gani kanang need na sa ilang sa ilang stage. Motong ako yung sample na kanang they might imagine what their future house will look like na may bata ko man sila nga, magpunan sila yung nga utang nga, di ko para sa ilang stage nga dapat na ako kay pagdagko na nga pa na. So, muna abstract thinking. So, ang understanding of concept, they learn about time, numbers, and other ideas that help them understand the world. They can tell time on the clock and understand basic math concept. Pag ang academic skills, which is related sa sa atong academic, they learn important skills in school like reading, writing, and math solving. Kung ang mga skills ang ilang ma-learn sa academic skills. They can read simple books and do basic addition and subtraction when it comes to math solving. And then psychosocial development. This is about how we grow. Psychosocial development is about how we grow emotionally and socially. It includes how we feel about ourselves, how we interact with others, and how we understand right from wrong. There is an industry versus inferiority. Children try hard to succeed in school and activities. If they succeed, they feel proud. If they fail, they might feel bad about themselves. So, muna ang industry versus inferiority. For example, if they do well on a test, then they feel happy and confident. Ang important of peers code is friends become very important in any stage, sa middle and late childhood. There is important of peers. Children learn to work together and share with others. So, makabuo na sila diri og kanang mga friends, and then they start to make friends and in school and enjoy playing together. And then self-image and relationships. They start understanding who they are and how they fit in their family and group of friends. So, nana sila kanang pamuno na sila kaugalingon ba kung unsa sila, kung unsa ang nila pag-fit ang ilang kaugalingon sa ilang mga friends o sa ilang pamilya. So, they might say things like, I'm good at drawing, kanang unsa po nilang nakabawas na silang magaling kung unsa nilang kanang mga gusto kung sa ilang mga talent, manana sila yung mga kamalayan. Or, I like playing soccer, karon sila sa ilang talent, sa ilang mga gusto nga mga emotional development. Children learn to control their feelings better and express emotions in a healthy way. They can say, I'm feeling sad today, and might try to talk about their feelings. So, kabalo na silang control sa ilang emotion. Kaya hindi sila mo basta lang mo confront sa isa kabutang. So, ilang kabalo na silang mo control. Kung sad sila, ilan na lang ihila kung di ilan na lang ilang istorya para ipagawa sa ilang ibagi. And then gender role and identification. They began to understand what it means to be a boy or a girl. So, ano sila yung gender identification. Nakabaw na sila kung unsa ang ilang unsa sila nga pagkatawag. Moral judgment and behavior. They learn what is right and wrong and start making choices based on fairness and kindness. They might say, it's not fair to take someone else's toy without asking and won't try to share or ask permission. So, na sila kanang pagsabot kung unsa ang mali o tama. Ano sila? Ibaw sila kung unsa ang mali kapag pumasok sa ilang mali. Pero and adolescent.